Can any animal smash bulletproof glass? First up, the honey badger. He's absolute chaos. Teeth, claws, pure rage. But the glass, it's not even impressed. Next, the mouflon ram. He turns into a living missile. Boom. That looked painful for the ram. The glass, still standing strong. What about the king of the jungle? The lion strikes. Huge claws, terrifying power. But it's just a scratch test. Fail out. The silverback gorilla. Watch this. First hit. Nothing. But he doesn't stop. Crack. There it goes. He's smashed. And finally, the boss. An African elephant. 6 tons of force. Game over. Totally destroyed. The outer layer. Would you stand behind that glass?